Hello everybody, welcome back to Water Cruiser channel. Today, another package, another stage. Oh, can't reveal my address, okay? Okay, guess what it is? It's a very cute thing, and it's cute. Still it up a bit. Okay, that's the entire package. Oh, that's my mask, face mask. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, see that wrapping? A lot of protection, okay? Cool protection. See what it is? Blue color. It's like Minecraft, something like that. It's a pixel dotted things. Wait, just slash it and open it. Alright, it's very thick packaging. Okay, the thing almost unveiled. Okay, that's all about the packaging. So now we get into the real thing. Today's introduce you the DIVOOM DITOO. DITOO or DITOO, the Retro Pixel Art Portable Speaker. At side we can see here 10 watt DSP Turner tune driver, 360 surround sound, and it's internet radio. Whoa, you got an internet radio station, nice. 256 programmable LED, and then 8-bit pixel art, nice. Online community, online pixel art gallery. Look at the front, it's a very cute globe here, and there's a switches down there, a little joystick. At the other side, you got a scanner here. When you scan it, what will happen? I don't know. Let's try it out. Okay. Too close. Okay, DIVOOM.com. Alright. Oh, it's an apps. Okay, let's download it. Oh, it's downloading. So let's take a look at the other side here. There is a 16M RGB color display. Too close, okay. And then there's smart alarm, sleep aid, social media notification. Oh, great. Daily toast, DJ mixer. Come on, that's great. Companion mobile application which I'm downloading. I'm downloaded. 3000 mAh battery, 8 hours of playtime. That's the other side here. Same thing. Bottom, a lot of things here. Disclaim, CE certified, and it's a blue color. DITOO blue color. Without further ado, let's open it. And it's a cute little paper bag. It's foldable. Cute. And here's the thing. Okay, let's turn a bit up here. Let's see. It's a blue color. Very cute. It's a box. The speaker itself is actually just inside that one, which is very cute. There's a hinge here. We just open this thing and just like flipping this side, and we can get the speaker here. There's a little button here too. Oh god, the alignment is not so good. You can see that there's a gap here. But anyway, I don't care about the packaging. It's good enough. It's cute enough, right? And let's see behind what's inside here. Okay, it's a DIVOOM DITOO. It's your best desktop companion. All these icons is just same as the paperback just now. It's Bluetooth. Okay, what else we got here about the specification? Anyway, more or less there. It's not, this thing is about half a kilogram. Okay, how I should open it? There's a line here and there's a line there. Is it a way to open it? It's probably just like that. Then from the bottom, there's a line here. Okay, I have access to the box after a paper bag. Okay, there is this engraving here. You can see when you turn the box, there is this. What is that? Inspired by a passion for music and technology, DIVOOM. Then the second line, committed to elevate the audio experience with acoustic product excellence. Since 2006, we have endured tirelessly to pursue perfect harmony between technology and design, where ultimate sound quality is ensured in every DIVOOM speaker. Ultimate music experience, DIVOOM. Well, I think they are good in making speaker, but not so good in the case. Anyway, when you open it and close the back, this looks nice and cute and sturdy, I think. Yeah. Welcome back. Let's continue. This is the apps itself. So basically you need to register or log in. Does that really matter? I have a pair. And I'll just shouldn't see my thing, okay? Continue. And where is it? I thought it's supposed to be locked in. Yep. Allow while using. Oh, actually you can just start it to paint it. Okay. Win a daily prize. Go. What is it? Can it go? Okay, 50 points. For what? Go back. Next. Come back to this little speaker here. And there's this soft case inside this box. Oh, crazy! There's a lot of fun things inside. See that pixel? Oh my god. The cute little manual. I'm not going to fold and pull it aside. I'm going to love this. And all these are very cute. Look at this. All these are stickers. Stickers. Man, this is so cute. And here's the USB. I think it's USB, mini USB. Oh, it's a Type-C. Great. See, there's a Type-C input here. And an on-off switch. And a micro SD card. In front here, the retro pixel art portable speaker. This is the screen, and the speaker grill is on top. And there's a woofer. That's this. When boom boom sound, the sound come from the not the sound, but the air will come from here. And bottom, there's a 4 cute little rubber feet here, and another QR code here, other etc. Certification, and there's a lot of protection at the side. And this triangular here is the certificate of acceptance, qualified, certified. It's passed. Anyway, it's already passed my cuteness test. And we shall just take off all the protection for maximum enjoy and the feeling of it. Touch of feeling. Front here. Oh right, that's very cute. And a keyboard. There's a keyboard. I forgot to mention this. It's M plus minus backward, front, forward, and the likes. And this joystick is actually just a polling. Not sure about it. What is it for? Let's read it. Okay. The M button is enter or exit. Plus hold increase volume. Minus reduce volume. Back previous. Forward. And the lever is for pull and hold, play, pause, active noise, memo, reject call. Nice. Ding 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 ding. How to turn it on? Oh, there's an on-off button here. I should just turn on like that. Whoa, nice. Oh my god, see that? Hear that voice? So cute, man. And it's not 343 now. I think it's 850. How should I should discover, right? And what should I do to connect? Oh, that's Bluetooth searching. What should I do to search it? Oh, it's already here, available. And boom, adjusting pixel. Oh, it's straight away updated to 851 on my phone to this cute little speaker here. And there's a firmware here. Okay, I'll just start to download it and update the firmware. It's very cute, you see? When it's downloading from your phone, straight away indicated on the screen, it's downloading something. It's really cute, man. Everyone should get one, I think, in their life. You should have one. There's another 2-3 colors here. White color, black color, pink color, and this is a blue color. Eventually I want to get a pink one, but it's out of stock, so I get a blue one. It's really, the cuteness is still there, the cuteness value is still there. It's really nice. Let's pull down a bit to see the keyboard itself. And it's really cute. You see there's a backlight here? Can I just pull it off? Don't dare pull it off, I can just stick it here. It's like those mechanical keyboard, you can just press it. So cute. Rest for a while, so later I'll continue to play some music on it. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. Let's to the beat. Bit dimmer. So after upgrading the latest firmware, I don't know, a lot of things to play with. You can set your things here by pressing mode. Mode, then you can select what do you want. Basically this is what is it? Plus, minus, you can see minus, plus, minus, deliver, nothing. Next. I'm not sure about it. Hot. This button is basically trigger what is the default inside there. Mute is okay. Enter. Oh my god, it's a game. Okay. So this is cool. You can play Tetris this on this. Oh god. I'm sucks in Tetris. Hey! Down. Okay. Good save. Okay, let's go back. That's a Tetris, you can play games on it. And what is it? It's drawing? Start. E. It's basically that you go to the gray color, then you pull it, and it will change the color itself. Okay. And so for kids or for people who's very free. Basically that's it. Another. Oh nice. That's heart pumping on it. Anyway, exit out of it. No. Game, painting. What is this? Oh, it's a countdown timer, I think. And I don't know what is it. 1-0. And how to set it? Anyway, let's go to the next one. I don't know. And what is this again? I think it's alarm. See? Alarm. Oh god, how to reset it? I don't I don't want alarm. No, don't set alarm. And this is music. Bluetooth. Okay. Bluetooth means here he asks you to use the Bluetooth. Alright, exit first. And let's see what we can have here. Will I put a doggy here? Will I upload here? Oh yeah, definitely. Straight away. God, this is so cute, man. I see heart pumping. There's a lot of Japanese maker. They did all this pixel art here, and it's really cute, man. That's a lot of things to choose from. See, very cute, man. And let's see music. I have a lot of songs in my. As all these are radio, internal radio, by the apps. You can basically just hit one and play it. Okay, radio. Oh no, it's not. Why is it playing on my phone instead of here? Okay. No, it's not playing here. Why? Hey, I don't want to play on my phone. Shut off. Oh, you shouldn't see my apps here. And that's it. Try to connect again. It's connected, okay? It's basically connected. Go to the home. Go to music. I should just go to my setting to see. Bluetooth is on and it's connected, right? If I play music here, nope, the speaker is not on. How to trigger the speakers? Okay, Bluetooth. Okay. Nope. Ditto light, yes. That's ditto light. And you see, that's a ditto audio here. Basically, you just need to connect again. Right? Little thing. Allow. You see? Straight away, it'll just. Great. Now I don't want to listen to this song. I'll try my song. And then the song itself is just running like that. Let's turn it on. It's a 10-watt speaker. It's 50. It's already so loud. Let's try other songs. Okay. Lorry. Whoa, hear that? Not bad. Let's go to some other different kind of song. I've got Lisang here. Lisang. I love Lisang songs. Serena. No. Too good. That's so nice, man. Why don't you just die with it? See the rhythm? This is Gary Kang. Nice, man. Let's go to some rock. And some Chinese song. Oh, actually there's a Chinese word there. It comes out also. Not bad, right? And this is a song I like. See the crispiness. Oh, I love these songs. These are very cute things. I think everyone should own one. That's all for today. It's not very expensive. I think I bought this at like 85 Sing dollar. Yeah. With all its features, it's just for its cuteness, okay? And a cute packaging. It's totally worth it. That's all for today. See you guys. Bye.